Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. After failed attempts to persuade bankers to lower interest rates, the MSME Alliance now turns to the Ministry of Finance. President of the MSME Alliance, Antoinette Hamilton, says her team will be meeting with the Finance Minister, Fayval Williams, on January 17 as a result of meetings with the President of the Jamaica Bankers Association, Audrey Tugwell Henry, and her team failing to produce the desired outcomes. Despite 4 actions to lower interest rates by the Bank of Jamaica, this has not trickled down to consumers. Tax Administration Jamaica says the approximately 9,000 persons whose application for the $20,000 reverse income tax credit were rejected have up to January 31 to reapply, RJR News reports. It says these individuals have up to 11:59 p.m. on that date to resubmit via the online platform at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm/RITC. Under the Reverse Income Tax Credit Initiative, some $11.4 billion is being made available to eligible taxpayers. The TAJ says since the October 2024 implementation of the one-off payment, some 343,086 Jamaicans have received disbursements totaling $6,861,720,000. For the trading period ending January 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 5,213,640 units traded represent 29.97% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,596,139 units traded representing 14.92% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,194,444 units traded accounted for 12.61% of market sales volume. Shifting focus to the Forex market, on January 13, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $45.96 million was purchased and US $53.75 million was sold by Forex traders. Traders earned $1.29 per US dollar, selling it at $156.95 and buying it at $155.66. The Canadian dollar netted $1.79 in profit per transaction, with selling at $109.58 and buying at $107.79. The British pound yielded profits of $2.30 to traders, selling at $189.67 and buying at $187.37. For our credit report tip of the day, we want to just reiterate that your credit score is a tool, not your identity. With determination, you can rebuild your financial health one step at a time. Here are a few tips. We're encouraging you to review your credit report. Get the facts. You are entitled to a free copy once a year, and you can then look for errors. Next, pay on time. Late payments hurt. And as much as you can, automate bills or set reminders to stay consistent. Then pay down high interest debt. Focus on the highest rate accounts to save money and reduce balances faster. Now we turn to resilience and recovery. For professional women over the age of 45, recovery and resilience are possible one step at a time. Here's a roadmap. We're encouraging you to revisit your skills. upskill or reskill to stay competitive in your industry. Consider certifications, courses, or even mentoring others for income. And then create a realistic budget. Yeah, a lot of us have an imaginary math going on in our life because we're carrying a lot of family pressure. You need to separate your needs, your wants from what you're carrying for your family. Limit unnecessary expenses and allocate funds to savings before your family, particularly after the age of 45. Stick to it because your future self will thank you. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.